hope everyone enjoyed that real quick unboxing and that real quick rundown of the key specifications and the button controls for these Bluetooth earbuds. Now let me get into my overall first impressions of and I know I'm going to butcher this name, the KOSETON E10 truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds, okay? And yet again, just so everyone knows, this is another product brought to you guys and gals thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. So what is the Amazon Vine program? Essentially, this product came into the channel free of charge, and all I have to do is write up and publish a full written review on Amazon, and then I can keep these earbuds no problems, okay? So what does that mean? The full written review for these earbuds will be up on Amazon first, way before the video review is live, all right? So just wanted to get that out the way up front. Also, please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality, because this video is being recorded using the rear-facing primary camera on the LG V60, and this is being recorded in 1080p at 60 FPS, and we are using external audio. Alright, so please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality. And one thing I want everyone to keep in mind, although we did not go over the user manual, I will go over everything important that you need to know in the full review. So y'all stay tuned for that. Now let's dive into these first impressions. Okay? Now, first impressions, talking about the earbuds themselves, I have to say this is a really nice set of earbuds here. They look really good. I like the overall style, okay? And these are labeled here. So it is labeled right here, and then you have your charging pins, and it is labeled left here, and you have your charging pins, all right? So let's go ahead and try them on real quickly now, and I'm going to give y'all my overall first impressions of the fit and the feel. Let's go. Alright, so dropping in the left. Oh yeah, that went in no problems. And dropping in the right. Also went in no problems. Okay, so good stuff there. And now let me bust out a phone to take the selfies with. This way, after I do the quick shake test, we could do the 2 profiles and wrap this video up faster. So real quick shake test. Okay, they're moving a little bit, but they're not coming out. So pretty good overall fit. And these are with the stock tips on. Now let's take the selfies real quick. Pixel 2 XL on deck today. Here we go, front profile. And side profile. And let's let that process. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. That doesn't look too bad at all. So let me show you real quick. So here is the front profile. And you can see it looks really, really discreet. I like it. And then here's the side profile. Not bad at all. Okay, so good stuff there. Alright, so that pretty much does it for this video, guys and gals. Y'all also be on the lookout for my fit and sound demo, where I'm going to expand a little bit more and give you guys and gals my opinions of the overall fit and the overall sound quality, volume, and the bass. And remember, everything will culminate with the full review. Alright? As always, I hope everyone enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. Okay? All the links to everything that you guys and gals need to know, including where y'all can pick up these bad boys for yourself, will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, the full review for these bad boys right here should be out in about 2 weeks from the posting of this video, so y'all stay tuned for that. I hope everyone's having a great day. Hope y'all are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in my next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.